Railway Colony, Kharagpur, presenting an innovative idea for Viksit Bharat Millennium 2025 under the theme Samrit Bharat.
The crops are damaged. The problem is the crops are damaged by the nilgai. This leads the loss of crops and harvest.
Solution. First, we will make a fence around the crops and put light and sound around the fence. And we will also put some cameras which will detect the image of nilgai.
Nilgai, as soon as the nilgai will come near the crops, then the alarm will start ringing. By the sound of ringing, the ringing sound, the nilgai will run away from the crops, and by this the farmers can save their farms.
In this, material required sound sensor, RDMO, infrared sensor, image sensor and camera. Use of crops and harvest. The solution which we found. First we will make a fence around the crops and put light and sound around the fence. And we will also put some cameras which will detect the image of nilgai. As soon as nilgai comes near the crops, the alarm will start ringing. Hearing which the nilgai will not attract crops and farmers can save their plants.
तो हमारे मॉडल का नाम है ऑटोमेटिक लाइट एंड साउंड अलार्म। तो इसमें क्या है ना कि जब ये लेज़र इसमें अंदर आएगा तो एक कैमरा से इसे डिटेक्ट करेगा और ये जो सेंसर्स है ना वो भी इसे डिटेक्ट करेंगे। और करने के बाद जब ये नilgai इसके पास आएगा, गैस के पास आएगा तो अलार्म बजेगा। अलार्म बजने के बाद वो जो nilgai होगा वो उस अलार्म के साउंड से चला जाएगा।
The materials required are sound sensors, RDMO, infrared sensors, image sensors,